I was born in California, but moved away when I was pretty young. I've been in New Mexico. It's virtually a desert for a very long time, but I still love California. I've always felt like a California girl, and honestly, I think maybe I should have been a mermaid. Today we're going to be using amazing resin. I'll put the link in the comments below. This casting resin is pretty amazing, but you need to measure really good, 50-50, almost exact, to get the right finish. This is IOD's mermaid mold. You can find it at my store or at windmillvintagedesigns.com. Once you have your casting resin mixed and it's super clear, it's time to pour it in. I use this little stick to make sure it gets into all those nicks and crannies. You can see it sets up and it starts to turn white. This mold is really cool because there are two mermaids in a mirror image. So I'm going to do one first, then the other. And we're going to pull the one that's set up out and put it on top of the one that is almost set. It's partially set. So if I push it down, I'm going to get a seal and glue them together. This stuff sets up pretty fast, so stay close. You don't have a long time, maybe 5 minutes. I'm going to paint this mermaid with mermaid tail. It seemed like that was pretty appropriate. This paint is so highly pigmented that I don't need more than one coat. I'm going to get good coverage. For this one, I chose Carnival Red. And this is Hey Sailor. Now, if you waited a little too long and they didn't bond together completely, it's okay. Just stick some glue in there and we're going to go ahead and clamp it down with these great little itty bitty clamps that I got. I'll put the link below. You can get some on Amazon.
You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right.
Using a fan brush that I got from Walmart, I'm going to go ahead and just dry brush on a little bit of Old 57. This one, we're going to do the same thing, but now we're using Golden Ticket. Now let's go straight in with Golden Ticket. I think she's just so beautiful. I want to give their bodies a little bit of a shine, so I'm going to go ahead and seal them with Big Top. Using the smallest drill bit that I have, I'm going to go ahead and put a hole.
Far from rules, how to feel it. We know that fast isn't always the best.
Using a piece of twine, I'm going to put it through that hole I just drilled and tie a knot. Now I have a way to hang my mermaid.
Contest, like nobody is judging.
I think this is really fun. These are my little piece of the ocean. Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie.